Hey, today I want to talk about this cream X7. Are you seeing that? X7 UV White Crystal Whitening Fluid Lotion. This cream has SPF 30. Okay? It comes in different color. We have the gold, we have the orange, which is the carrots, we have the pink. Okay, I just try out this cream on my skin because I've been giving it out honestly to people, and their feedback is so beautiful. Some tells me, some say it brightens them, as in it lightens their skin quickly. And truly, I gave it to a dark skin even, and her color popped. I was like, okay, let me try it. I took one from the store. I started thinking, okay, fine, because it has SP 30. I want my color to glow. I noticed something. It dries my skin. I had to get argan oil and add it to it. And the only thing I can say about this cream, for me, it is just a normal cream. But for others, our skin differs. It lightens them quick. I gave the pink out again. That pink, oh God, is a bae. The lady, her color, oh, this caramel color, it popped. I said, okay, once I'm done with this, I'll get the pink. I'll try it, because I'd say in this channel, what we do here is a review. We review products and we come here, we talk about it, we advise us to try it and give us feedback. So I will kind of advise us to try it. It's a great product. It's okay. Okay? It's just, for me, it's just like a maintenance cream. It's not doing that much. But if you want this cream to work like this, you must activate it. That is the truth. You must activate it. And I kind of like the ingredient that is in this cream, vitamin C. Vitamin C is a lightening ingredient. Vitamin B3, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin K. Okay, let me talk about vitamin K. What vitamin K does, it hides your green vein. And I heard people complain of this cream, that this cream gives them green vein and stretch mark. But this lotion contains vitamin K. And the work of vitamin K is it covers your green vein, your anything vein. Okay? That spider vein, it covers it. I will just advise you, if you just want something that will just maintain your skin tone, you don't want something that will bleach you can try this lotion. Because me, I've tried it honestly. It didn't lighten me back. Even with my argan oil, it's just a normal kind of cream for me. Okay? All right, so I've come to the end of this video. Do not forget, subscribe and join this movie family. See you in my next. Bye-bye.